What happened?
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how are you?
What's going on? This area is only authorized.
Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta go that way.
You can't be back here near the vehicles.
Which way in?
Do you have ID on you?
Why would I need that? Did I do a crime?
Well, you're in an area here. It's only authorized with the police.
Okay, I'll leave.
Okay. Well, what are you doing back here, sir?
I was looking for the door.
Looking for what?
The door.
Okay. You got ID on you?
Why would I need ID?
Sir, I'm asking you for ID.
For what reason?
Okay, because I need to know why you're back here, why the vehicles, filming license plates.
Well, if you're talking about trespass warning, you warned me and I left. I'm leaving.
Yeah, right. There's actually a sign right there. It says it's only for authorized persons only. And on this side over here, you going behind the vehicles and filming people's vehicles. Okay, that's concerning to us.
I wasn't filming anybody's vehicle.
I just watched you from the window here.
No, I was narrating my video, trying to find the door to the police department.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just need your name now. Okay. Can I get ID from you, please?
Did I commit a crime in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania?
Like I said, okay, I'm stopping you now because somebody back there recording our vehicles. Okay,
I didn't record your. I wasn't recording your vehicles.
That's how it appears. Okay.
Is there a sign that says you're not allowed back there or anything?
Yes, there is.
Where's that?
On the other side here.
Can you show it to me?
Can you grab me your ID, please?
Can you show me the sign first? For legal reasons. For my lawyer.
Can I please get your ID, sir?
Your front door's locked.
No thanks.
How about your name, date of birth?
You can call me good citizen.
Okay.
That didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
You told me I wasn't allowed back there?
A casual filming turns into confrontation when officers claim restricted access and accuse the man of recording vehicles. He calmly asserts public filming rights. They demand ID. The stage is set: civil liberties versus routine police suspicion. And sparks begin to fly.
I came back. I obliged.
That's fine. Why are you back there in the first place?
I was trying to find the entrance to the building.
But you were recording our vehicles.
I wasn't recording your vehicles. That's a narrative that you're spinning on this. I was recording while I was trying to find the entrance of the building.
Is it okay if I record your vehicle?
I'd personally not like him going around the outside of my vehicle looking at it and recording the vehicle. That's what it appeared to me. That's all I got to say.
Your personal vehicle's back there?
Yes.
What you're saying?
I didn't even know that until you just said that.
I could, let us know that.
All right, well, do me a favor then, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, this area is off limits. I don't want you to return back there. Okay?
That's all you have to do.
Okay, please leave now.
That's all you have to do.
Are you here for any other reason?
Yes, we want to get a complaint form.
What's that?
We need an IA complaint
Okay,
form.
well, I'll need your name to get you a complaint.
No.
Excuse
the complaint. Yeah, go ahead.
Is that an arbitrary rule that you just said we're not allowed past this way? Because I don't see any.
Are you done here?
There is no lawful sign.
Do you have a police report?
Signs that say statute of any signs that say we're not allowed to go past this point.
Not that difficult to figure out.
First of all,
on the other side here, there's.
Yeah, we're going to take them off.
Let's go see where this sign is. We're invited to see the sign. These officers invited us to see the sign.
It says, stop. Do not enter. Police vehicles only.
We're not a police vehicle.
That's a vehicle. We're not parking here.
We're human beings.
We're not parking.
That's for vehicles.
We're not parking here. I think this guy looks familiar. I don't know where I met. I've seen this guy somewhere before.
What my concern is not whether or not you're back. For all reason, there could be lawful reasons to go back. Okay, maybe he was lost. However, when I saw him recording our vehicles, it was raising concerns.
Is this publicly funded? I don't have one to give you. By the county.
All right, guys. If you don't have a complaint, we're gonna leave.
Did any of us park there where the police vehicles can park only?
We're not done. We're not done because we're trying to.
I was just asking if you had a complaint. You don't have a complaint.
The dispute sharpens. Officers point to a police vehicles only sign, while the auditor demands proof. Questions about trespass, narrative, and motive collide. The man presses on legal boundaries. The officers insist on identification. This is the moment politeness frays into procedural pressure.
Get a complaint form so I can take it with me like the law states and fill it out and bring it back.
This is public property. This is what we established. You can't put that sign out and say that we're not allowed past here.
And this guy has a temper. This guy has a temper. Where's your commanding officer?
If I don't listen to what you said, what will happen?
Who's your commanding officer? This guy right here? Oh, there it is.
Stay away from the vehicles, not be recording a person.
Are you corporal? Are you a corporal? What's your name, sir? please?
All right, guys. You don't have a complaint, then have a good night.
Are you a corporal? What's your name? What's your
I
name?
need a form right here. I need
You
a
come down on Monday and ask
No,
for
I need a form right now.
Right
I
now.
need a form
For
right
you.
now.
And you can't hand it to us. Somebody else has to.
Not even telling
We'll be checking your vehicles out. We'll be checking your vehicles out.
Criminal 1.
We will be
criminal
checking
2,
your vehicles
criminal
out.
3.
How about we check yours out? I'll follow you all night.
Please do.
Do what you
Jump in
want
your
to
car
do.
and follow us.
Guys, have a good
You
night.
got nothing else better to do than bother.
What's that guy's name? The guy with the two stripes on his sleeve.
Miss.
Provide you my business card.
I don't understand.
They have no reason to. What crime do you suspect us of committing?
There is no crime.
Okay, then you don't get ID.
I'm doing an investigation.
Are we okay? Are we being detained? Are we being detained?
No.
What are you investigating? Can we get a supervisor?
There's one right here.
Oh, you're a supervisor? Okay, then you should know that you have no reason to be detaining us and asking us for ID. We did nothing. We pulled in and we gave him some clothes. He needs clothes. He's my brother. We gave him some clothes and we're leaving.
Right.
And we're leaving. You're going to arrest us?
And I said, I just have to interview.
You had no reason to interview us. What crime do you suspect us of committing? What
There is a
crime?
reason for me to interview.
What crime do you suspect us of committing?
We didn't say you commit no crime.
So then you don't get
I
ID.
just need to interview to know who I'm talking to. But
For why are you talking to us? We don't want to talk to you.
that's not how it works, man.
Yes, it is. It is.
Escalation and obstinance. The man refuses ID, asks about legal basis, and calls for a supervisor. Officers oscillate between claims of duty and vague suspicion. Families and a baby in the car raise urgency. The encounter becomes a tense standoff between rights and enforcement.
Exactly how it works. I have no reason to be talking to you. Am I free to go?
No.
Okay, well, then we can sit here all night. I have a baby in the car. The baby needs to get home.
If you have a baby in the car and you're standing right here, I'm
Yeah.
in charge of endangering the welfare of a child.
My wife is in the car with the baby. Why are you looking for something to start with me?
117, 119.
So we understand that something happened at the China House. Our brother informed
We
us
don't
that.
understand anything. We didn't do anything. We
No,
pulled in that
hold on a
parking
second.
lot
Hold on.
to drop off some
You're
clothes.
escalating, man. All I'm
You
doing
are
is
escalating
asking you
it.
for an
So
ID.
No.
I
I
think
gave you
No
my
ID.
name.
when
No ID.
When your inferior,
You have no reason to
officer
ask
came
me
up
for
to us,
ID.
And when she asked us what we were doing there, we explained it. We even said hi to the owners of the Chinese restaurant. We showed her the bags of clothes we were bringing. We're just swinging through New Paltz real quick, and we're going back down to the city. She walked away as if everything was fine, and now you're reapproaching us. And you're reapproaching us. So
Wow.
there's really no reason to have a conversation.
Sir, all I'm saying
And
to
I
you,
told you exactly what happened, and that's
all I
it.
say to you is, I'm right at 101 days. All I'm saying to you is, I'm doing an investigation. I need to know who I'm talking to. I gave you my name. I didn't have.
What are you investigating us
It
for?
didn't work out, sir. I'm just trying to find out who I'm talking to.
Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? What
Because
reason do
you
you
just-
have to talk to me?
because you
What
just
crime
told-
do you suspect me
I
of committing?
did not suspect
Then you
of
don't
no
get
crime.
ID.
I just need to know who I'm talking
You don't
to.
get ID then. Hi, how you doing?
Well, Sergeant Fuqua, how are you guys?
I've been better. I was fine until I was. He's demanding my ID.
demanding.
Nobody's getting. You are not getting my
You're
ID.
trying to detain us because we
You are not getting my ID, and I'd like to know when I'm free to go because you're not getting my
I'm
ID.
going to give you my business card. I don't have nothing to hide.
But we don't have anything. We don't need your business card. We understand that
But
you're
I
trying to
need
help
to
the
know
Chinese
who you
restaurant.
are, Sergeant.
We don't live around here. We just dropped our brother off some clothes, and this.
But you understand why we're talking
No,
to you, right?
I do
explain
not
you 100% why
I
you're
don't
talking.
want to know. I want to go home.
You don't want to know why
I don't want to know. I want to go home. I don't want to talk to you.
You can share.
I don't want to hear anything. I want to go home. I want to go home.
You guys are free to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, it seems that every police officer has an addiction with IDs. But what do you think? Are these cops ignoring the law, or are they just ignorant of the law? Either way, this is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
The final segment reveals the encounter's anatomy, how routine police instincts can collide with basic constitutional protections and civic patience. After sustained questioning, the dynamic shifts from casual engagement to insistence on identity and purpose. Officers invoke duty to protect the facility and public safety. The auditor repeatedly asks a simple, surgically important question. What crime do you suspect me of committing? That question is the hinge. Here's why it matters. Police may lawfully detain for reasonable articulable suspicion, but suspicion is not a blank check. It must point to criminal activity. Vague concerns about filming vehicles or looking suspicious don't meet the legal threshold. The auditor's refusal to provide ID without a clear legal basis forces the officers to confront the difference between discomfort and criminality. That friction is educational for viewers. Rights are not hypothetical. They are tactical tools in real confrontations. Tactically, note the pressure points. Officers leverage authority and implied consequences, stay, answer, produce ID, while the auditor leverages three countermeasures: documentation, insistence on legal standard, and invoking supervision. Those steps convert a one-on-one power play into an institutional process. Calling for a supervisor isn't theatrics. It's escalation to a level where policy and procedure are more likely to be observed. Emotionally, the clip is powerful because it humanizes both sides without excusing overreach. The officers are concerned. They cite safety and past reconnaissance, but their assumptions create unnecessary friction. The presence of a baby and family heightens stakes, showing how quickly an otherwise mundane check can disrupt everyday life. The most telling beat is when officers invite the auditor to view the sign and then concede to document the interaction. Bureaucratic traceability becomes the antidote to arbitrariness. For editors, emphasize the auditor's clear questions and the officer's evasive replies.